2020 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.